think that's it for, I would say, a good introduction, and we'll go backwards, covering the project backwards from working to gas. Cheers. Okay guys, this is probably one of the first videos of covering backwards the electric conversion for the BMW E60. Here I'm at Portola High School. It's in Lake Forest, California, where I recently relocated, and I didn't get a chance actually to document this project properly or at all, but again, as I mentioned, this is probably gonna be one of the first videos of covering the project in reverse order. That means the project is almost done and I'm covering videos of what's been done. So now here we are juicing up the car. The car has been tested, verified, that charging, driving. I did actually 75 miles drive from San Diego, where I originally been the last 12 years, and relocated to Lake Forest or Orange County. So the car did actually drive, and project is almost complete. But today is the very first day documenting and taking a video of that. So here is the E60. It's been dirty because it's been about 6-7 months apart, being worked on. Never got a chance to wash it because my e-box still exposed. So I'm not gonna open up the car and show you inside, but now there's a fully old gas guzzler V8 engine BMW being converted to fully electric. Forget about the dings and scratches. It's not a beautiful car. Here is my charge port. It's a CCS capable, so the car's been worked and designed to support CCS, to be verified. Again, we said that's project is almost done, not completely done. And this we are on a charge point, and right now we're roughly, so the cable is 6.3 kilowatt, or the station is 6.3 capable. I'm pretty much maxing it out. I think the screen will change sometimes. We'll get back to it. We plug in. The car is quite not as normal do-it-yourself electric conversion when they're loud and you can hear a lot of buzzing noise and stuff. But the car is completely quiet. You only can hear. It's a pretty quiet Sunday now. Only just a small hum of the coolant pumps. And here we are. Let me see if this thing can show me information about the charging. Come on screen. No, it won't. But we're pulling 6.3 kilowatt. The onboard charger is capable of 10 kilowatt. It's a Tesla Gen 2 charger. Thanks to Damien Maguire and Tom DeBerry previous work of how we control those. Let's see if I can actually talk more about the car. So if I go inside here, let's open the hood again. Excuse, the car is dirty. Let's open the hood. There it is. So here, that's 60% of the Chevy Bolt 2018 57 kilowatt. Down there, DC-DC converter, Tesla Gen 2 DC-DC converter, 2.5 kilowatt DC converter, takes 400 to the regular 12 volt. That's my battery back split disconnect. And this is my e-box. Yeah, it's a big mess. I'm still developing a couple things. This is a zombie inverter, again thanks to Damien, hard work and coding. It has a spin-off of the original code, so I actually rewrote the code to, well, not the whole structure code, just a vehicle control code with extra things added to it. This is my own brain idea, which is an accessories board that controls coolant pumps, signals, AC and charge, fans. It does actually have a code now to control the AC compressor, because yes, we do have AC. I just verified that previously. Probably gonna be another video talking about the AC of the car. We're here in California, so our priorities are different. We need AC more than heater. But talking about heater, this is a Volkswagen heater. It's unplugged right now because unfortunately I fried it through testing. Power steering pump, which is a very interesting thing. I don't have a screamer like most of the do-it-yourself conversion, a very loud like power steering pump. It's actually from a domestic here on this side, Dodge Charger power steering pump. So it's pretty quiet, does provide the hydraulic pressure for the E60 rack, and we'll talk more about what actually makes this project the electric component. But this engine bay, this battery box, designed it in CAD. I learned how to weld with it, and it has 6 modules. There is another 4 modules in the back of the trunk. We'll show you this in a little bit. Couple high voltage stuff going here, go in the back. There's coolant lines for the inverter and the transmission. We'll be talking about that when we get to it. Radiators, original BMW E60 radiator, just a different cooling fan, which is controlled by my accessories board, as we talked about. What else? Yeah, let's see what we got in the trunk. So the trunk here this is a cover for the car, because the car is exposed to the element. These are the 4 modules to complete the 57 or 55 kilowatt Chevy Bolt battery. They're here. Again, I lucked out. This car is big that I still have a usable space for a spare tire, for an actual trunk space, for, what can I say, you know, if I'm doing a road trip, I can put the luggage here. Pretty cool finish, actually, pretty good finish. This is something I actually made too. Lead acid batteries on EV conversion, they're not good, because EV conversion do have drastic what can I say, parasitic drain. So lead acid batteries is not like that. So this is a lithium ion battery, or not lithium ion, lithium iron phosphate. So 4 batteries inside, 4 cells, gives me 14.6 at fully charged in this box, and rewired inside. There's a BMS inside too. So with that, I can actually have a very big amp hour capacity. And car from outside doesn't have an exhaust anymore, but it looks perfectly normal gas engine car. I'm very proud of how this thing turned out. If you look down here, that thing down there is actually the AC compressor. It's a Tesla Gen 2 can controlled AC compressor. Here, I'm not sure if you can see that. Down there is the power steering pump. Again, Dodge Charger 2013 can controlled power steering pump. And that's it. That's most of the key components. This is probably the very first video of the whole series to talk about this car. It's a rear-wheel drive still, so what we did is we changed the transmission to something else. We'll cover that in detail. We have a drive shaft that actually modified, that hooks up to the original BMW differential. Front is pretty much stock. BMW rack, E60 rack, and power steering pump modified to provide hydraulic to it. Interior of the car, again, excuse the mess. There's more computers and scanners and dirty car, but other than that, this is an actually E60 shifter from a facelift, so it is completely stock, nothing else. Just seats here, dashes are the same original old iDrive. I did actually rework all the messages, so I don't have any more check engine light, I don't have any more transmission lights. All this stuff has been reworked completely clean. Yeah, I think that's it. Cheers.